Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Guys, in today's video I will be showing you how you can create this kind of image, this kind of amazing and unique images for yourself. You all know that this kind of image have been trending on social media for the past 1 month or some time ago. So in today's video I will be showing you how you can create this type of images on your Android device or on your iPhone or on your computer. It is a simple trick for you to create this kind of images. So in today's video I will be showing you step by step and all the settings that are required to be able to create this type of images. So please, I request you that you watch this video till end. Make sure you do not skip this video for a better understanding, as I will be showing you how you can create this type of images that I just show you on the screen right now. So guys, here without wasting much time here, let's get started with me. So guys, what you're going to be doing, you have to make sure that you open your browser, and then Google Chrome is recommended. You can be able to use any browser apart from Opera Mini. You can use any browser, but for the sake of this trick today I will be using Google Chrome. So we're going to be using a particular website today. Let me show you from the beginning. We're going to be using a particular website today in order to create this type of images. So guys, you have to make sure that you have this account. You have to make sure that you have this account. I will be showing you how you can get this website link. I will be showing you how you can get this website link. So you have to make sure that you have Microsoft account. If you don't have one, you just have to click on this create one in order to create a Microsoft account. So all what you need to do, you just have to insert the name. For instance, let's say jttech.com. jttech at, guys, as you can see, just like there you have seen the example here, at Microsoft or at gmail.com or at outlook.com. And also you can use Gmail. So I already have account with this particular website. So all what I already do now, I just have to click on sign in because I already have an account with Microsoft. So you have to make sure that you create if you do not have one. So guys, this is the website we're going to be having today. But guys, please, before we continue, if you are visiting this channel for the first time, please, we request you that you subscribe to our YouTube channel. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell so that anytime we upload a video on this channel, you will be the first person to get notified. So guys, as you can see, this is the website. It is a very simple website that anyone can use. You don't have to be a professional before you use this website. So guys, as you can see, these are some of the example of this website. These are some of the example of this website. Guys, as you can see, we have many images here. We have many images, and we also have frequently asked questions that you can be able to use on this website. So let me go straight to the point on how I will show you how to create this type of images for yourself and by yourself. So guys, here what we're going to be doing here, we have what to see how image create works. Select surprise me, then create. So guys, as you can see, what you're going to be doing here, you just have to actually insert a topic, or you have to insert a story of the kind of images you want to see. You have to insert a story of the kind of images you want to create by yourself. Now for the sake of this video, I have a particular story, or I have a particular topic that I will insert on this box, and this box and this particular website will automatically create the type of image that I want based on what you type in here. So what you're going to be doing here, for instance, village boys watching cinema, watching a cinema sorry watching a cinema, village boy watching a cinema. And then we can be able to add something, watching a cinema, and then smiling. Okay, or we're gonna insert something like smiling village boys, smiling village boys watching a cinema. So after you must have insert your topic or story like this, here you have to click on this create. Now guys, as you can see, it's already creating, and then you have to wait for just few seconds for this to create for you. They're gonna create this for you, guys. As you can see, it's already loading. So guys, you have to wait for just few seconds. Until the image has finished creating by itself. So guys, as you can see, this is the image we just created. Now this is the image you just create, and then you can be able to save them one after the other. And guys, how do we save them? For instance, let me click on this one, and then I'll show you how you can save. So guys, you have to wait, it's still loading. So guys, as you can see, what you're going to be doing, you can be able to click and hold on the image, and then you click on download. You can click and hold on the image, then you click on download. So guys, as you can see, it's already downloading. And also you can click on this icon here by your right hand side. You click on it, and guys, here we have download. You can also click on it. Now let's choose another image. For instance, I choose this image like this. Sorry, it's still loading. Then you click on this three dot by your right hand side, then you click on it, then you click on download, and this will be downloaded directly to your gallery. Let's create the last one. Now let's create the last one. Let's say hungry hungry boy cooking. Okay, let's say hungry boy running with fish. Hungry boy running with fish, with a fish. Now you click on create. Now we wait for them to wait for this to be created. Now guys, as you can see, just few seconds this will be created, and then you can be able to download it. So guys, as you can see here, it's already creating. Then you just have to wait for just few seconds. This particular trick works on all devices. So guys, as you can see, this is the image we have here. Now that's the last one I wanted to show you, which is very, very important. Now let's say a Hausa man sitting there's Hausa man sitting with wife and children. They will also click on create, and this will start creating. Don't forget, any image you have created, you can be able to see it down below here. Any image you create, you can be able to see it down below here. So guys, as you can see, it's already creating. Now we wait for it to create so we can be able to see if we can actually, wow, guys, as you can see, this is an Hausa man sitting down with his children. So you can be able to download it directly to your gallery. So guys, this is how you can be able to create this kind of images. If you found this video to be helpful to you, please request you once again that you subscribe to our YouTube channel, like this video, share with your friends, and don't forget to comment below. And guys, the name of this website is simple. No, this website is bing.com /image slash create. bing.com/image then /create, then you click on enter. So guys, I will be dropping the link on the description for easy access. Sorry, I made a mistake. Okay, I made a mistake. Or I will be dropping, just like the way I said, I will be dropping the link on the description. So guys, as you can see, bing.com/images/create. Guys, as you can see, this is the name of the website, bing.com/images/create. So if you just click on enter, it won't be opening like this. It won't be open for you to sign in or to create account. If you have any problem, drop a comment on the comment box. We are ever ready to reply. Thanks for watching, guys. See you on our next video. Bye bye.